Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2654 Poplar Hill Road in Lima.
This is a spectacular, updated country home on over an acre.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is updated country living with a convenient open floor plan for entertaining. Featuring a gorgeous kitchen with wood cabinetry, recessed lighting, and an island breakfast bar. Open to the country view dining area with a picture window. And vaulted ceiling living room with a wood ceiling, skylights, bay window, and beautiful oak floors. The first floor also features a spacious and ideal bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom.
The upstairs features two spacious bedrooms, one with a vaulted ceiling, and this relaxing and spacious owner suite with a walk-in closet, updated full bathroom, and private balcony to watch the sunsets over the rolling hills. The finished walkout lower level is great additional space in storage, with a laundry room and bonus room, with beautiful hardwood floors and access to the covered patio. Plus great expandability above the garage for a bedroom and bath. This quality built home has great craftsmanship and is evident in the details.
This is a country lover's dream backyard. On over an acre with a covered deck to enjoy the summer breeze, a patio perfect for a fire pit to gather around, and a pool for the big summer parties. All with sweeping country views and gorgeous sunsets at the end of the day. This premier country location provides exceptional privacy and peace and quiet, yet a short distance to Honeoye Falls, Lima, and Lakeville with Canisius Lake, the gateway to the Finger Lakes region.
Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Men Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2654 Poplar Hill Road in Lima.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!